Hi all, Larry Powell II here with another video of a mint unboxing and an apology for not doing a live stream on Friday, October the 15th. Mom and Bub and I, or well, my brother, I call him Bub. Anyway, we've spent all day today trying to get loan application in to try to get a mortgage to buy a place, since the place that we're renting, they've got it on the market to sell, but they want to sell it as a group with a bunch of other houses, so we can't buy the one we're in. We'd like to stay here, but since they won't let us purchase it separately, we are checking with my bank and the bank that my mom banks at and the bank that my brother banks at. We're going to fill out the mortgage application with all three and see which one gives us the better offer. But from what they said, unless we find a place in a rural area, there's going to be a down payment as well as closing costs and all this other stuff. And I'm not sure how we're going to come up with that, so we may end up having to just rent one. I mean, I would love to buy one. That way, eventually, someday, maybe we would own it, but once we paid all the mortgage payments, of course. But anyway, so like I said, we spent most of the day doing that, and then I went by and helped a friend with making a purchase at the coin shop, who doesn't live here in Springfield. Anyway, I just wanted to say that I'm very sorry for not streaming today or Wednesday, but I will be back on my regular schedule starting next week. Hopefully nothing comes up to prevent me from streaming next week. Anyway, now let's get to the mint unboxing. This is should be my US mint set. I have it on auto enrollment. Anyway, so hopefully we'll figure out something as far as getting into a place that we don't have to worry about them selling it out from under us. Go. Let me remove the packing material. Oh, actually, let's just pull out the net set and leave the packing material in the box. There we go. And if I was going to resell this, I would probably leave it just like this, sealed. But since I'm not planning to sell it, I'm going to open it and show you guys the coins. Sorry about that. Okay. Take a look at what we got. And this arrived today on Friday, October the 15th. Anyway, this is the 2021 United States Mint uncirculated coin set. This is the Denver folder. Oops. And it has all of the coin specifications up here. And then there are all of the coins. We got the dime, half, dollar, and penny. And then the quarter, nickel, and quarter. This is the Tuskegee. And then the crossing the Delaware is on this side over here. And then of course you can see the reverses there. And the way they have it, you can also see the edges of the coins because they stick out slightly from the folder. And so you can look to see the mint marks and stuff on, like on the Native American dollar right here. Anyway, so that's the Philadelphia, and then here is that's the Denver, sorry. And here is the Philadelphia. And it has the coin specifications and then the coins here. There's only 2 quarters this year, which I think they charge the same price or maybe even more for this, just like they did with the proof set and the silver proof set. Even though there was less coins in it this year, they charged the same or more as last year, which doesn't really seem right. But anyway, so that is what I received today from the U.S. Mint. And again, I am very sorry for not streaming on Wednesday or today. Wednesday I was asleep all day, and then today, like I said, we first went to my bank and filled out the application. Then we went to my mom's bank, and in the process of that, my brother found out that with his bank, they don't have any loan officers in this area, so they're going to have to call us because the closest loan officer is in Kansas City. But anyway, so that one we'll probably have to do either online or over the phone or something. But anyway, so I want to thank everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will put my contact information in the description down below in case anybody wants to contact me or send me something. And as always, everyone have a wonderful day and be safe. Bye-bye.